In this video, I will show you how to change pick a person on home table order, right? So this is really possible. Yes, this is possible. And on the top right, you will get option to log in. So you have to just log in and basically click on here and you will get an option to sign in. So just go to sign in. If you have ID, then it's great, right? So here I have mentioned each and every steps which you have to follow and make sure you go through it. That's why then only you will get your answer, right? Then only you will able to change pickup person on home table order. So you have to access the order once you have signed in, enter your password and sign in. Once logged in, click on your profile icon on the my account, right? So it will be always on the top right. So here on the top right there's an option, so click on and you have to go to the option of account and select orders and purchase, and from the drop down menu locate the order you want to change. So basically I have to select the order, click on the order number or view order details. So once it get viewed, look for the pickup person section in the order detail, click on edit or change pickup person. Enter the name and contact information of the new pickup person. Make sure to provide accurate details to avoid any issue at the pickup. Right, now once you have done that, click on save and update it. You may receive a confirmation on your screen as well as on your email address. Right, so this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.